What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. Today is August 7th of 2021, and the market had a pretty choppy week overall, but it did break all-time highs, which is awesome to see. So like I said, if we look at the SPY, there was a ton of chop basically all week, and then on Thursday and Friday, it started to power up, and it broke all-time highs. So like I said, that was good to see. But really, there was a lot of choppy movement across a lot of different stocks and areas of the market. If we look at the SPY, it broke all-time highs. But if you look at certain tech stocks like Apple, they're definitely pulling back a little bit. And we're starting to see that rotation out of tech and into some more like value stocks, like the bank or like the financial sector. Stocks like JP Morgan are really starting to pop up. Goldman as well. So I really just want to point that out. Value stocks are seeing a lot of money flow into them, while tech stocks are starting to sell off or at least kind of lose that momentum. And, this happens every couple months. It's totally normal, but it's just something important to pay attention to. We have a lot of tech stocks that are extremely high right now, like AMD and Apple and a lot of other ones. So just keep that in mind. That is causing a lot of chop in the market. If we go over to the swings tab, it wasn't a great week. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but it definitely wasn't great. We can see out of the plays that were closed, like Triple M, ZOM, you could even say SPY. Those haven't been the best. That just happens sometimes in the market, but we do have a lot of good plays that are currently being held, like UPST, you can say Palantir, RCL, stocks like that. And if we go over to UPST, we picked up a call debit spread on this one. In the initial strike price, if we go back to the sheet, we go to UPST, we can see it's a 130, 160 call debit. So we picked this up for around $600, and the max value of this spread is $3,000. So if UPST does pop later in the week, that can be huge for obviously just the plays. It does have earnings, so it's going to be a little risky, but we're already up a decent amount on this play, so we could easily sell for a profit right now. But if it does pop on earnings this week, that would be so awesome, and it would be a huge win. So we have a lot of exciting things in the works. It was kind of a slow week because all the chop, but lots of good plays in the works. They just need some time. If we head over to the bot, I wasn't too happy with the bot's results this week. They weren't bad. Like, for example, 3 of the 5 plays popped for at least 27%. However, the Facebook play on, I want to say, Thursday, it popped, but it just took a long time. So, I wasn't too happy with it. Mara was fine. Facebook and DraftKings on Tuesday and Wednesday, they didn't really move. And then Facebook on Thursday, it moved. It just took forever. And then AMD was a pretty solid call out by the bot. I'm actually really glad it called that one out. If we look at AMD, they were running up for, in my opinion, no reason on Friday morning, and it just sold right off. And the bot actually got in puts, I want to say, like right here, somewhere very close to that. Like an hour later, it just tanked. So that was awesome to see. If we go over to the premium selling data, very consistent as usual. It's a nice slow and steady strategy. Like I say, every single weekend, it's not going to make you rich, but if you're looking for a slow and steady way to grow your account, selling puts is the way to go. If you do it correctly, it's a win-win. In the worst case scenario, you just hold shares and that you get assigned. And, if you like the stock for the long term, there's no problem with holding shares at a low price. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lots of interesting things going on in the market right now, like the crazy run-up we saw with AMD over the past week, Moderna's crazy overextension. And then, we also have some big earnings coming up this week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing weekend.